Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we are here to start our Halloween Horror Nights staycation at Cabana Bay Resort. We're going to check out everything at this resort here for Halloween Horror Nights, and of course the event too, but that's coming on some other videos. So come with me, I got you, let's go do this. All right, the Halloween Horror Nights cocktails here at the Swizzle Lounge. We got the Radioactive Slime, that's Ketel One vodka, blue curacao, mango puree, lemon juice, pineapple juice, and Sprite. A Witch's Brew of Myers Original Dark Rum. Blue curacao, we're on the blue curacao, pineapple juice and orange bitters, and a Lil Boozy, Jack Daniel's pumpkin puree and simple syrup. We got a Walking Zombie, a Poison Apple, Tito's vodka, sour apple schnapps, apple juice and grenadine, a Ghostly Delight, that's a tequila drink. Of course, the standard signature cocktails. Never drink alone. So the Swizzle Bar here at Cabana Bay is always decked out. You see the pumpkins behind me and everything. The jack-o'-lanterns is always decked out for Halloween. They always have special drinks here for Halloween, and we'll definitely be getting one before this staycation's over with. All right, I got the SS, which is one of the specialty scare selections here at the Swizzle Lounge, and it is vanilla vodka, Cointreau, and orange juice, and ice cream mix. So should be a fun little treat. Orange festive scary selection here at the Swizzle Lounge. Love it. All right, it is morning of day 2 here at Cabana Bay, and of course this whole place is decked out for Halloween Horror Nights. And one little pro tip, they start with the blowers out here at about 8 in the morning, right behind me. And when you don't get in from Halloween Horror Nights until about 2:30 a.m., that's rough. So if you want to skip that, you need to not get a pool view, because those are definitely loud and they can wake you. Whole pool area, and you can hear that they are out there blowing this morning. They start at about 8 o'clock, and right now it's about 9 almost, and they're still going. So I'm going to get coffee to get this day started here at Cabana Bay Horror Nights style. We are headed into the Bayliner Diner. This is not where I'm going to get the coffee. This is the quick service place here. They have all your different kind of foods. It's set up where it's, you know, kind of food court style. It's in here. It's the 50s. I call it like the futuristic 50s. The mid-century modern George Jetson style look in here that I just absolutely dig. This is my vibe. Love it. And while they do have coffee in here along with all the other breakfast foods, and of course dinner and lunch is served in here, there is a Starbucks in the lobby. So we are going to head right through the Bayliner Diner over to the Starbucks and get a big coffee. The Bayliner Diner food options. We'll take a little look. How about before we head over to the Starbucks, we take a little look around in here. So you're gonna have a few different options. Hot off the grill. You're gonna have pancakes and French toast. Over here at the International Eats, you're gonna have a create your own omelet situation for breakfast. enjoy a taste of the world. What would be the pizza place in here has a very cool waffle that I've had before, the savory waffle. And that so the savory waffle is really good. It is spinach and Parmesan waffle, and it is really good. Highly recommend. All right, first let's give this savory waffle a try if I can get it cut loose. Cheers. Oh, it's very different. The batter is sweet and savory, and then that cheese and the avocado ranch on top. Really good, very interesting, something very, very different. I like it, it's really good. Then your final option over here is the deli. You can get a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, a smoked salmon bagel. You can get a breakfast wrap, breakfast flatbread, a yogurt parfait. And then over here on the salad bar, it's the healthy food spot. They got yogurt and oatmeal and fruits. All your oatmeal fixins. So just a little quick look at what they have for breakfast, which I get back in here for lunch too. But if I don't grab the savory waffle, I will definitely show you where I had the savory waffle before. One of the highly underrated hidden gems in here on the menu. But now, coffee. After I have to talk myself out of getting this cup. I mean, mid-century modern Cabana Bay style Halloween. Get the heck out of town. I may have to have this before I leave. I don't need all these cups, but I really want it. All right on the other side of the Bayliner Diner, before you hit the store, is the Starbucks, and you might have guessed, it's very popular. Everything you want, a full-service Starbucks, and we're gonna get one. All right, so for our room tour, I'm actually going to give you a look at two different rooms. Now, I have my whole AVA team down here. My parents are here, my kids are here, and they have the family suite. Now, it's lived in already, so I'm going to give you a look, but, you know, everybody's been in here living, and it's, you know, it looks that way. But it's a really cool room. I have the standard room, too, and we'll show you that. But this is a look at the family suite with the pool view over here next to the main lobby. When you first walk in, there is this whole little living area. You've got a full kitchenette with a microwave, a nice size refrigerator. Light came on. Thank you, Mom. A nice size refrigerator. You got some storage underneath here. Sink, plenty of storage up top. And what I think is cool is this little, it's like a half surfboard bar area. You see my pumpkin cold brew there, getting ready for the day. So you got this little bar area here, 2 stools. It's very nice. Little breakfast area. And then over here, you have your first of 2 TVs, a dresser for storage, your little tables that come out, and right here, this sofa actually pulls out and is a full-size sleeper sofa. And of course, the whole mid-century modern atomic era George Jetson style vibe comes through. You got a couple of chairs over here that I'd love to take home with me, put in my house. And then if you look right here, this is the divider that separates this area from the other area with the 2 beds and the bathroom and the nice size closet. I'm going to try to evict my children out of there and give you a quick look, just a real quick overview of what that looks like. In here, this is your bathroom area, and it's interesting. There's 1 bathroom, but 2 sinks. So you have a sink out here in the area to get ready. And then inside here, where the shower is, you have a second sink and mirror combo. And your shower is the standard shower. But that separates it from the royal throne room, which when you have a bunch of people staying in a family suite is nice because you can have people getting ready here, taking a shower in there, doing some business in the throne room, and a lot's happening at once. So that's cool. 2 bathrooms would have been really good, but that's for the 2-bedroom suite. This is the family suite. I have giggling, snickering knuckleheads over here.
Hi.
Can't wait to get on camera.
I'm ready for my close-up.
So the bedding area is just like the standard room. You got 2 beds, complete with knuckleheads, parents, and the TV is wall mounted. Now there is no dresser in here, which is interesting, but there is a really big closet. This is a pretty good sized closet here. You can see storage for a whole family. As my mom just pointed out, there is some extra storage beside one of the beds. Now it's on the divider wall. So this is that divider wall into the living room. And down here on the side is some dresser space. So you have more storage there. Plenty of storage, plenty of room, especially if you're here for 4 or 5 nights for 4 people. It's plenty of room. There is a 2-bedroom option here. We didn't do that this time, but we got the family suite. And I'm going to give you a look at the standard room. So it's a couple different rooms here on this ADA guide to give you an idea of what you can get at Cabana Bay. I'm going to get out of here and go drop the elbow on my children in the other room. All right. So there are the 2 queen beds. Very nice. And of course, it has that, sort of 1950s mid-century modern Miami vibe to it, which is pretty cool. I like that. 2 nice sized beds. You got your TV. Definitely everything in the mid-century modern type style and colors with the oranges and the robin's egg type blue and the white to go along with the wood finishing. Got your TV, a little coffee maker over here. It looks like it uses the pods, little single shot coffee maker, lamp, little sitting area over here. Definitely, again, with the mid-century modern type chairs. A nice walk-in shower. No tub. So if you need a tub, there's no tub. I'm a shower guy, not a tub guy. So continues the color, theme, and everything. But it's nice size. You're not going to turn around. As a big guy, I have a problem turning around in some of these smaller hotel room showers and knocking into the walls. But I think I'm going to be good in there. Closet. It's nice size. I mean, enough for a couple of people to stay, hang a few things up. You got your iron board, extra pillows, blankets. But let's go take a look at the view. As you can see, I'm doing a aerial shot at night of the secondary pool here. This is not the main pool over by the main lobby. This is the secondary pool.
It has a nice little lazy river that goes around it. It is beautiful, lit up at night. You can see the other buildings lit up across the way. It's the Continental over there. This is your secondary pool. There is the other main pool with the pool bar and everything that's next to the main lobby where the Swizzle Lounge is. That is the main pool area. This is your secondary pool, and it is absolutely beautiful.
We are closing out the last night of our Cabana Bay Halloween Horror Nights trip with some Bayliner Diner dinner. Fries. A lot of fries. We ended up with way more fries than we thought because I just wanted some fries to start with, and then I decided I wanted like the hot dog and some salad too. My body just needs some salad. And then it turns out the hot dog came with the fries after the fact. So we got a lot there. I can't wait to try this salad. You pay for the salad, it's 75 cents per ounce. It's really overpriced, but I'm really crying out for some greens. Super fresh salad. The hot dog, just a plain hot dog, so nothing big on that. Risha got the Cabana Bay burger, which is a classic, with bacon and onions, mushrooms. Looks good. Their special sauce. Justin,
Chicken dog.
got old chicken dog, chicken or hot dog. He got the mojo chicken
Mojo half chicken.
with vegetables.
We also got some jasmine rice and the assorted vegetables of the day.
So we have a lot of food to eat. It looks good. It's pretty standard. We're exhausted and we're gonna eat, and I'll get back to you later. All right, everybody, we have finished up our meal on our final night here at the Cabana Bay Halloween Horror Nights trip, the HHN edition of the Look Around Cabana Bay. This is still my favorite place to stay here. I think the price point and what you get for it is just hard to beat anywhere in Orlando. And for Halloween Horror Nights, they got tons of buses running all the time. It's decorated. I mean, what more could you possibly want? You've got lazy rivers, you've got pool bars, you've got food. They keep food open late in there. Wings and pizza for after HHN. We've had a blast here. We're gonna be back here very soon. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look around in case you're considering staying here this year or next year or at any time. There's never a wrong time for Cabana Bay. But until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great ABA day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.